So as you can see, the dirt's coming out pretty good, pretty quick. We've only been here for maybe an hour and a half. We have all the dirt out of here. The garden's over there prepped. The front boulevard's been stripped. We just got to get this last pile out of here. I'm going to set the time lapse up and we'll watch this pile disappear.